to call Hanya for speech. Respected teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hanya. I read in grade 3. Today, the topic of my speech is Palestine cause. Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to shed light on the Palestine cause, a matter that resonates deeply with our shared humanity and particularly our responsibilities as Muslims. The Palestinian struggle for justice and freedom is not just a regional issue. It is a global concern that calls for our unwavering support. As Muslims, we are bound by a sense of brotherhood and compassion. The plight of the Palestinian people living under an occupation and facing numerous challenges should stir our collective conscience. It is our duty to raise awareness about the injustice faced by Palestinians and advocate for a just resolution of the conflict. My dear fellows, our responsibilities expand beyond mere sympathy. We must actively engage in diplomatic efforts, support humanitarian initiatives, and contribute to organizations working towards a peaceful and equitable solution. In conclusion, the Palestine cause is not just a political matter. It is a humanitarian crisis that demands our attention and action. Let us stand united, raising our voice for justice, advocating for the rights of the oppressed, and fulfilling our responsibilities as Muslims to contribute to a world where peace prevails for all. Thank you.